In this video, you will learn how to change your car's battery without having to take it to the mechanic. This will allow you to avoid the additional fees required for a tow truck and by the repair shop. No prior knowledge is required for this procedure, as long as you follow the instructions carefully. First, let's lay out which tools and materials are necessary for you to do this. You will need a new battery compatible with your vehicle to begin with. Visit a shop which sells them and make sure to get the right one. You will also need a socket wrench, insulated work gloves, cable ties, wire brush, cleaning cloths, battery cleaning and anti-corrosive solution, and lithium grease. Once you have acquired all these materials, you are ready to change your car's battery. Make sure to pay attention to the notes, warnings, and dangers that will be shown on the screen throughout the video. Your own safety should be the top priority. Step 1. Prepare your vehicle. If your vehicle is running, park the car on a level surface and avoid traffic areas. Turn off the vehicle. Remove the keys from the ignition to ensure no power is going to the battery. Engage the emergency brake. Then, put on safety equipment. Insulative gloves are the most important part. Then, open the hood of your vehicle. Before you move to step 2, allow the vehicle to cool down. Step 2. Locate the battery. All you have to do in this step is to visually locate your car's battery. If there is a cover on it, you must remove the cover. Once located, you must then identify the two terminals. The negative terminal might have a negative sign near the post, and it should also be attached to a black cable. The positive terminal, on the other hand, has a plus sign next to it, and it is attached to a red cable. Step 3. Detach the cables. During this step, you must start with the negative terminal. Beware of possible dangers in this step and the following steps. Remove the cover on the negative cable if applicable. Loosen the nut on the black or negative cable with a wrench. Slide the cable off the terminal and away from the battery and secure it with a cable tie. Then repeat the same steps with the positive or red cable. Step 4. Remove the old battery. Begin by inspecting the bracket that holds the battery in place. Then remove any connectors holding the battery to the bracket. You might need to use a socket wrench for this. The battery will be very heavy, around 50 pounds, so ask for help if necessary to lift the battery out of the engine bay. Then put the battery on a concrete surface if possible.
Step 5. Clean the connectors. The next step is to clean the connectors. This step is needed to remove any corrosion, dirt, and debris from the connectors. Using a wire brush and a battery cleaning solution, wipe the tray and connectors. Then dry everything thoroughly, as if the parts are not dried well, there are risks of electrical shocks. When you are finished cleaning the connectors, you will have a clean tray ready to accept the new battery. Step 6. Install the new battery to the bracket. The next step is to properly install the new battery into the tray in the right position. But first, you have to make sure to buy the correct battery. As automotive batteries come in various sizes and capacities, the new battery needs to be the same size and dimension as the old one, or else it might not fit into the tray. Record the size, dimension, part number of your battery, and the year, model, engine size of your vehicle before going to purchase the new battery so that you will be able to find an appropriate one. Once you have the appropriate battery, place the new battery in the tray. Verify that the positive terminal is on the same side as the red cable and the negative terminal on the same side as the black cable. When completed, the battery will be in the right position and ready to be reconnected to the engine. Step 7. Protect the terminals and grease them. Carefully remove the covers from the new battery's terminals. Then, spray the posts with an anti-corrosive solution. Making sure the terminals are properly greased increases the longevity of the new battery against corrosion. Step 8. Attach the cables. Reconnect the positive red cable to the positive terminal first. Secure the cable to the terminal with the nut by using the wrench. Reconnect the negative cable next and secure it in the same way. Finally, confirm that the battery and cables are secure. You can now close the hood of the car and test your vehicle by starting the engine. When these steps are done, your vehicle should be ready to run with the new battery. In summary, the steps to changing your car battery in your own garage are fairly simple. You just need to prepare the vehicle, locate the battery and safely disconnect its cables, clean the tray and the connectors, and place the new battery. And once the cables are attached to the new terminals, that you can test your car by starting the engine. In a few steps, you're able to replace your car battery on your own, which saves you a little bit of money and time. For more information, you can visit Home Depot or other shops where you can buy your car battery.